Hello and welcome back to another Filet Crochet bonus square. Today we are going to crochet the ribbon. This square is worked just using spaces to outline the shape of a ribbon. So there's a lot of double crochet blocks in this square, so you might wind up using just a bit more yarn for this bonus square. As usual, I just used a 4-weight acrylic yarn along with my 4.5mm crochet hook, but you can use whatever yarn and hook that you've been using for this entire project, or if you're just using this as a standalone square for another project, go ahead and use whatever yarn and hook that you'd like. Just note that the larger the hook size or the larger weight yarn that you use, the bigger the square will be. Likewise, if you use a smaller hook and a smaller, thinner weight yarn, you'll have a much smaller square. For this video, I am going to put the graph up on the right and the written pattern on the left throughout this video, so this won't be in the classic style tutorial. And if a written PDF pattern is more to your liking, I have those available on Etsy and I will link that down below. So check that out if you're interested in any of the written patterns for the bonus squares or any square that we've done throughout the year. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, and we'll crochet the bonus filet crochet ribbon square. I hope you enjoyed the square as much as I did. Every new square that I come up with, I love just as much as the ones that I've already done. It's really, really difficult to pick a favorite square. And we're almost into October, so look forward to the October filet crochet square, and I will see you in my next video. Happy crocheting, everyone. Bye.